fingers in the air, clinking into a love affair. Table set with stories waiting to be told. In the warmth of autumn, memories unfold. In the cafe where the world slows down, every smile turns to gold. Sip your drink, wear your crown in this little corner bowl. Candles flicker dim and bright, mixing shadows with the light. Here in autumn we embrace, find a peace in this place. Soft as secrets on the grave. Souls connect in this timeless space. Window fog paints hearts anew, and every step heartbeat true. In the cafe where the world slows down, every smile turns to gold. Seek your dreams and wear your crown in this little corner bowl. Candles flicker dim and bright, mixing shadows with the light. Here in autumn we embrace, find your peace in this place. Where love's a song we softly hum, where days drift by like autumn sun.